Alright guys, so those variations right there would definitely get you prepared to doing your first push-up or your first 5. Like I said, you want to start with like some incline, move straight to your decline, and then you can go incline where you're coming off of your, let's say, bench, your bed, whatever it may be that you're on. So that way when you do go ahead and perform a push-up, if you want to come up off the ground and do like a clap really quickly, you'll be able to do so. Check these out right here. Alright guys, so like I say, if you're ready to step up your push-up game, give those different variations a try. Tell me what you think, so that way, when you do a push-up, you can do the advanced push-ups. We can jump off the ground, we can do the Superman, you know what I'm saying? We can spread our wings and fly. Let's get it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's roll.